There's nothing like chilling with my girls, just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas, hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and today we're about to do an affordable slay. Hope y'all all are ready for this transformation. We're about to look real cute for the summertime. But anyway, I hope y'all all are having like a really great day when y'all are watching this. Today, you know, I always work with this company and it's Unice Hair. They have a new unit, which I'm really like excited to try out because I love easy hair. I love hair that you ain't got to put no work into. I love hair where you ain't got to put no heat to it. I love hair where you could just put it on and go, okay? But I also love it when it has some type of color. So this is the Unice 7x5 Byebye knot waterwave unit, and it does have highlights in it, which I'm really excited about. I love hair when it has like really pretty color and dimension. It's also ready to wear. This is one of the pre-everything units. So all you have to do basically is just put her on and go. That's if you choose to. You can also style her to your liking. This unit is gorgeous. I'm definitely going to style her to my liking. I like where the part is at, so I'm not worried about that. I just need to make sure that the unit is just nicely fit snug to my head. So it does come with a comb in the nape. It also comes with a removable elastic band that's also adjustable. And it also has the ear tabs on the side, or not ear tabs, but sculpted ears, so that way your unit fits great. It also has the adjustable strap in the nape and the silicone banding on it. So this one is also pre-plucked and pre-bleached for you. So all you really need to do is put her on. If you want to put some baby hairs in her, go ahead and do that. But I'm going to show you how your unit comes from Unice, and then we're going to just take it from there, girl. Okay.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah. You with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for. Want dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, You'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real.
where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness.
All right, y'all, this came out super cute. You cannot tell me that this does not come out super cute. Do y'all see the waves in this? She's absolutely beautiful. I love the highlights in this unit. Listen, let me tell you something. Straight out the pack, she's definitely a go. You can put this on and run out the door. You can make your own baby hairs if you choose to. You can repart it if you choose to. She came out slamming. Like, this is really, really a cute unit. Do y'all see that parting in this? Okay, just make her yours. That's all you gotta do is just make her yours. Very full, 24 inches, 7x5, 180% density, I do believe. I will definitely link everything down below for you nice hair. Y'all already know I am locked in with them. They have like the best affordable units for real, like on some realness. They have very affordable units. They're already pre-done for you, pre-plucked. This is just like everything pre-approved, baby. Do it like it's your big day. The waves in this are popping. Normally what I do is I will wash my unit when I first get it just so that the curls or the waves be just like extra. But today I just decided I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna put some water on it with conditioner in it. I also did use my Carol's Daughter's hair milk, which refreshes your curls or your waves. And I did use my Lotta Body foaming stuff. It's the same thing as Nairobi, just a little bit more cheaper, but it does the same exact thing. So this came out really, really cute. I love the fullness in this unit. I love the waves. I love the coloring. They did a really, really good job with the highlights. It's not all choppy looking. I like that there's all color browns in this, like underneath. I love like a good wave or curly wig. Girl, I like to do nothing at all but put the wig on and go. Like, you know, throw it on and it just molds to your head automatically. It just styles itself automatically. It's just there. And this was super easy. So today I did use the Wonder Bond by Even New York, and I also used the lace melt spray. I've said this before. I'm not really sure what the difference is, but this just says adhesive spray. This says lace melt spray, and it does actually make the lace disappear. It's really, really good. I do like it. I'm not really sure about how well it holds it down because no matter which spray I used by Even, I just become unstuck. Like within like an hour, I'm sweating and it's becoming unstuck. So, you know, I'm just going to go with the flow. I love a good curly wig or wavy wig. Girl, this is definitely summer approved. Get your maxi dress on and look super cute for the days to come. Is this something that you guys would wear on a summer, spring, or whatever day? Would you put on a maxi dress with this? How would you rock this hair if you had her on? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you there, and I will see y'all on the next one.
In my brain, I want you.